Hey y'all, as y'all can see, I'm showing y'all my products that I'm using to fill in my brows. I'm going to be using the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal. I have been using this brow pencil for the longest. I have been loving this brown pencil. It kind of reminds me of the Anastasia brow wiz, is it what it called? Yes, it's a super fine little pencil, and as you guys can see, it's super precise. So as you guys can see here, I am going in and outlining the outsides of my brow, and in a minute you guys will see me sometimes I do go outside of my natural brow, but in this instance I'm going just with my natural brow, and then I'm going to take that same pencil and fill it in. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap, and flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the coupe at 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all. For me, a burden. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. So now, as you guys can see, I'm just taking the bottom of that pencil and using that spoolie to just comb through my brows. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did not fill in the front part of my brows. That's because when it's time to go in with that spoolie, I just take the product that's already on my brows and I just blend it in. Nobody wants no blocked ass, excuse me y'all, but nobody wants no blocked brows. Make sure you guys are really blending out the front of your brows, because if you're not, that's how you're going to get that block look. And don't nobody want to be walking around with blocked brows. I mean, if you do, you really shouldn't be. But yeah, but now I'm taking those two concealers and I am just cleaning up that, making sure that line is crisp, honey. I'm going to do that to the top and the bottom, and that's pretty much explanatory, guys. I'm gonna let you guys just sit here and finish watching me finishing my brows, and I'll be back. You wanna go trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap, and flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the coupe at 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all. For me, a burden. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You wanna go home? You wanna go home? Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap, and flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the coupe at 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all. For me, a burden. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You wanna go home? You wanna go home? Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap, and flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. come around and now they silent. Through the quick 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the bag and I'm working. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Lost and all, I love them all for me a burger. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. Know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you.
So guys, that is the completed brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Mwah.